naman talaga, our Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2015 Miss Pia Wurtzbach.
And of course, our Miss Universe 2015. Hi, Miss Pia. Hi, Miss Pia.
You are so
I'm lost for words. So, kumusta naman ang pakiramdam na makarating ka dito sa Araneta for the 60th anniversary ng Binibining Pilipinas?
I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be back. The first time I stepped into Araneta was during the 50th anniversary, where I was a candidate for the first time, 2013. And then I joined, a few more years after that. But it's so good to be back for the 60th.
I'm so happy to see everybody here. I was reunited with some of my co-queens outside on the way to the red carpet, and I can't wait to see everybody else inside. And also to see our beautiful, stunning ladies, and to see who's going to be representing the Philippines. Yeah.
Pia, let's throw it back to your coronation during Miss Universe. It was iconic. What was going through your head when they called your name? I know a lot of people have already asked this question, but we want to know again.
I was in shock. I mean, every time I replay the videos of my reaction, of course in my head, you're always hoping for the best, right? You're always hoping na, sana ako, please call number 10, please call number 10. And when they did, I felt like, when they called my name, I felt like this is it. The work starts now. I have to get to work right after tonight because may isa pang laban after that. So it was a moment that changed my life forever, for sure. And I'm so grateful to Binibining Pilipinas for that. It's so good to be back. I always tell girls who want to join, Binibining Pilipinas, you will learn so much and they'll take such good care of you. And I can't wait to see everybody again.
I love that. Any advice to the girls who are joining the competition right now?
Okay, yes, of course. I mean, enjoy it. It goes by so quickly. You feel like it's been a while now, and then finally the coronation is tonight, and then you feel like it'll go by so fast. But keep everybody's numbers. Keep in touch with your co-candidates. They will be your sisters for life. I came from a baby shower yesterday. Mga co-candidates ko rin sa Binibini, and now they know that they moved on with their lives, they have kids, and that I'll eventually get there also. But they just become your friends even after the competition. So that would be my advice.
I love that. The sisterhood in Binibini.
Pia, one last thing. You are Pia Wurtzbach, Miss Universe 2015, a legend. If there is one thing you would want people to remember about you, ano yun?
Don't be afraid to try again. Huwag kayong mawala ng lakas pagka hindi nyo nakuha agad yung mga goals nyo. Nakita nyo naman, marami na rin sumasali ng paulit-ulit. It's not a bad thing at all. You actually learn so much and you grow so much, as you keep joining and as you keep doing Binibining Pilipinas. So that would be my advice to anyone. If you have a dream, fight for it.
I love that. Fight for your dream. Thank you so much. Our Miss Universe 2015, Pia
Wurtzbach! Maraming salamat. Thank you, Pia.
We have a quick photo up here. Please proceed to the right.